Hello, my name is Jeanette Bayardell, and I am a Broadway actress, entrepreneur, and the CEO and founder of Broadway to Wall Street. I am so excited about this program. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking, since when did she start trading? Since when did she know about the stock market? But if you really knew me, you would know that when I was on stage, I was singing. But when I was backstage, I was trading, looking at those charts, making some money. Now, people who I've done shows with, like my girl from the North Country family, they know all about this. They see me doing it every day. But for those of you who are new to it, no, your girl knows how to make money in the stock market. So I am offering this information to you. I've packaged together a wonderful introduction to the stock market online course that includes animation, music, me singing about the stock market. It's such a cute program. And it is palatable, and the information is retainable, because you know when you put music with information, it's easy to learn. So I created this because I know some of you are like, listen, I just can't get with the stock market. It's too hard. I don't understand it. But after this course, you'll understand it. I make it very easy and very simple. So I'm excited about you signing up for the course to learn so many things about the stock market. Like, for example, I'll give this away. Did you know that you can make money in the stock market even when the stock market is going down? And sometimes, a lot of times, you make more money in the stock market when the stock market is going down if you strategically placed yourself in the right position. But you can learn all about this in my course, Introduction to the Stock Market. Go to Broadway to wallstreet.com and hit enroll and enroll yourself in the school and get ready for the show and make your money grow. Get ready for the show and watch that money grow. All right. Bye.